Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to set start time and end time of a video in Elementor. As you can see right now I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and for creating a new section we are going to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, and here it is asking us whether we want flexbox or whether we want grid. So I'm going to select grid, and in the structure I'm going to select the first one, the one row and two column. Right, you can select as per your requirement, right? And now we are going to place a video widget in the first column, and for placing a video widget in the first column you need to click on the plus icon on the black header line on top, and you need to search for video widget in the left side toolbar, and then simply drag and drop this video widget into the first column. Okay, and here in the left side toolbar itself, in the content setting, you can change the video link. You can simply copy paste your YouTube video link over here, and when you scroll down in content setting itself, you will find the start and end timing. Right, here is the start time and here is the end time. Right, specify a start time in second. For example, I just want this video to start from the 15-second duration. Right, so I will simply enter 15, right, in seconds. And if I want this video to end on 135 second, then I will simply enter the end time as 135. So this is how you can simply set the start and end time of a video in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.